morning or good evening, everyone. How are you?
Yeah, it's Bevis and Badhead at it again.
Yes. And welcome to another episode of our such a fantastic film. Just look at that. Traffic jam in Scotland.
Well, it's quite common if you have a single lane.
Oh yeah. But now we are going to the Isle of Skye. That's the plan for today.
Yep, we're gonna be passing some castles, some waterfalls, some hills and mountains, so stay tuned.
Yeah, and now we are passing some castle.
Yeah.
Do you remember our conversation when we are passing this castle? You were saying we should visit it, and I was saying the light is rubbish.
Yeah, I think that was a good call, because we're gonna come back during sunset and the views are gonna be much nicer.
Yeah, the golden hour.
Golden hour.
Almost.
Golden eye.
And now we are going directly towards the Skye Bridge.
Skye Bridge.
Yeah, that bridge was fantastic.
Jak jest?
Bosko. Bosko jak mistrzostwo.
Kasiu?
Mi się podoba.
Bardzo
Przekonałam cię do Szkocji.
Bardzo dobrze. Bardzo dobrze.
Oszukali mnie.
Żono? Ma?
Baby.
Też tak uważam.
Yeah, we are finally on the Isle of Skye. Look at that. It's absolutely awesome. But I wanted to tell you a bit about yesterday. Actually, not yesterday, 2 days ago. I said 2 bikes were broken. Maybe you will say something more because that's your...
I lost brakes up front.
Yeah, basically the rubber brake line was broken and we couldn't fix it in place, so we had to go back to the garage. But then the Harley said I won't start.
Yeah, it decided to break the regulator and wasn't charging.
Yeah. So that's the story of our breakdown. And that's why we had just 1 day to get here. What an absolutely gem of a road. And it was so good that we had to stop because the views were so amazing. And we will be stopping a lot this day. I tell you that.
Yeah, I think we stopped more than we rode at some point. Well, not much I can do about that.
Yeah, such a nice view. If not that BMW.
It's different.
But you knew that I will say something at some point.
Of course I knew.
Look, what a wonderful view. Thanks to your wife.
Yes, I was gonna say that we invited a third camera operator for this trip.
Yeah.
Oh, look, a bridge.
One bridge too far.
Yeah, that was a good movie.
Why the hell this bloody open ridge was parking there? That was such a wonderful spot.
I guess we ruined it for him because he was having a break.
Dark went to the forest. I don't know if he was doing number 2, but what he found was that skull.
Yeah, I don't know if it was a goat or something else, or a mufflin.
I don't know, probably the devil. That could be. I remember that we stopped here and then we decided it would be better in front.
Yeah, because the number of stops has to agree.
There was a lot of stops.
Yeah.
But that was really good day, nice, warm, with pleasant views. Look at that, this is cinematic masterpiece.
Lost. You need to put in those tumbleweeds behind it.
That those rocks on the left, they've got some name. They are famous, I think.
I think that's the store or store.
Well, I guess you might be right. So, as you've probably seen, that was a place called Mealt Falls. It was really nice indeed, but not worth to spend much time on it. So, let's continue, and there will be many more interesting places to see today.
Yeah, and just enjoy the views. So right now we are next to this mountain which is called how? Quiraing.
Quiraing. Yeah, so that's the road to Quiraing. That place was absolutely, yeah, I have to say that, it was smashing. We have to stop and fly the drone because it was so good, and we said, okay, that's what we are going to do. That sheep was interesting.
Yeah, I think it was a ram.
He didn't enjoy company of your drone.
No. Don't blame him.
That view was absolutely incredible.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
No, it's not. And look at that view.
Yeah, not too shabby.
No, it's not. And that's the famous mountain on the left.
Quiraing.
Yeah, itself. Yeah, and now we are going to the waterfall, which is called Kilt Water. Oh, was it water?
No, it was Kilt Rock
Ah, Kilt Rock.
and
Yeah.
Mealt Falls.
Yeah, and that place is really famous, and it's gorgeous.
The initial plan was that we're gonna go around the island to the very top,
Yes.
but I think it was getting slightly late,
Yeah,
so we decided to come back.
yeah, too many stops.
Too many stops. I told you.
And here we are.
Yeah, so we have white cliffs in Dover, and up north you have black.
Yes, true. Just look how massive that thing is. Just look at the cars and people up there and you will have the scale of it. Absolutely massive.
Yup. We should call it something. I mean your light from the ignition coil.
What?
Give it a name.
Oh.
Like, I don't know, Bruce.
Bruce. Bruce, are you there? Sure I am.
It's like it's with us everywhere. So let's give it a name.
Hold on. And look, beautiful view.
I know, right? Look at this camera operation, so smooth.
Yeah, and that. What a speed.
I feel the need.
It's a really nice road and such wonderful views, but we already hit 15 minutes of the film. So, again, we will split the video and there will be second part from the Isle of Skye, and it will be coming the next weekend. So, do you want to add anything?
Bye, Bruce.
See you, Bruce, in the next episode. Cheers, guys.
Cheerio.